Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Enjoy Learning English. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. We are very happy you are here today.
Yes, welcome to Enjoy Learning English. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and get ready to learn English in a calm and easy way.
Today, we are going to talk about something very exciting. Airport traveling.
Yes, traveling by airplane, going to the airport, checking in, waiting for the flight, sitting on the plane, everything step by step.
Maybe you feel nervous when you think about the airport.
Maybe you feel excited.
Maybe both.
That is okay. Today we will talk slowly. We will use very easy English. You can listen, you can repeat, you can feel comfortable.
You are safe here. This is your English practice time.
All right, let's begin.
Emily, when was the last time you went to the airport?
I went to the airport last year. I traveled to another city to visit my sister.
Oh, nice. Were you excited?
Yes, very excited, but also a little nervous.
Why nervous?
Because airports are big. There are many people, many signs, many lines.
Yes, airports can feel busy, very busy.
But when you understand the steps, it becomes easy.
Exactly. So today we will talk about all the steps.
Let's imagine something.
Okay.
Imagine you have a ticket. You are going on a trip. Maybe for vacation, maybe for work, maybe to see your family.
You wake up early in the morning.
Yes, very early, maybe 5 a.m.
You feel sleepy, but excited.
You pack your bag, you check your passport.
Passport. Very important word. Passport.
Yes, repeat after me. Passport.
Passport.
Good. A passport is a small book. It shows your identity. You need it for international travel.
International means going to another country.
Yes, another country.
Now, if you travel inside your country, you may only need your ID.
ID, identification card.
So before you leave your house, check your passport, check your ticket, check your phone.
And check your bag.
Yes, very important.
Okay, now you go to the airport.
Maybe by taxi.
Maybe by bus.
Maybe a friend drives you.
You arrive at the airport. You see a big building.
Many people, many cars.
You walk inside.
Now, what is the first step?
The first step is check-in.
Check-in. Repeat. Check-in.
Check-in.
Check-in means you tell the airline, I am here. I am ready for my flight.
Airline, the airline company. For example, one airline takes you from one city to another.
At the check-in counter, there is a worker.
You give your passport and ticket.
The worker says, may I see your passport, please?
You say, yes, here you are.
Very polite, very simple.
The worker checks your name.
Checks your flight number.
Flight number, that is the number of your airplane trip.
For example, flight 302.
Now, if you have a big bag, you give it to the worker.
Yes, that is called luggage.
Luggage means your bags.
Luggage.
If your bag is big, it goes under the plane.
That is called checked baggage. Checked baggage.
But if your bag is small, you can take it with you.
That is called carry-on.
Carry-on bag.
After check-in, the worker gives you a boarding pass.
Boarding pass. Very important.
Repeat. Boarding pass.
Boarding pass.
A boarding pass is a paper or digital ticket. It shows your seat number and gate number.
Seat number. For example, 12A.
Gate number. For example, gate 5.
Now, after check-in, what is next?
Security.
Security check.
Security means safety.
At security, you stand in a line.
Sometimes a long line.
Yes, very long.
You wait. You move slowly.
When it is your turn, you put your bag on the machine.
You take out your phone.
Maybe your laptop.
You put them in a small box.
Then you walk through a machine.
It checks your body for safety.
Sometimes they say, please take off your jacket.
Or, please take off your shoes.
You listen carefully. Very calm, no stress. After security, you take your things.
Put your phone back in your bag.
Put your shoes back on.
Now you are inside the airport area.
You look at your boarding pass.
You look for your gate number.
You check the big screen.
The screen shows flight numbers and gate numbers.
You find your flight.
For example, Flight 302, Gate 5.
Then you walk to Gate 5.
Sometimes the airport is very big.
Yes, you walk a lot.
Maybe you take a small train inside the airport.
Yes, some airports have trains.
When you arrive at the gate, you sit down.
You wait.
Waiting is normal at the airport.
You can read a book.
You can drink coffee.
You can call your friend.
Or you can practice English.
Yes, listen to this podcast again.
Good idea.
Now, after some time, you hear an announcement.
Announcement. Repeat. Announcement.
Announcement.
An announcement is when someone speaks on a speaker for everyone.
They say, Flight 302 is now boarding.
Boarding means entering the airplane.
Boarding. Repeat. Boarding.
Boarding.
You stand in line again.
You show your boarding pass.
The worker scans it.
Scan means checking with a machine.
Then you walk to the airplane.
Sometimes through a long tunnel.
Sometimes by bus.
You enter the plane.
A flight attendant smiles.
Flight attendant, the person who works on the plane.
They say, welcome.
You say thank you.
You find your seat.
12A, near the window.
You put your carry-on bag above your seat.
In the overhead bin.
Overhead bin. That is the small space above you.
You sit down.
You put on your seatbelt.
Seatbelt. Repeat. Seatbelt.
Seatbelt.
The airplane moves slowly.
Then faster.
Then it flies.
You are in the sky.
How do you feel, Emily?
I feel excited and peaceful.
Some people feel scared.
Yes, that is okay.
If you feel scared, take a deep breath.
Look out the window.
Think about your destination.
Destination. That means the place you are going.
Repeat. Destination.
Destination.
Now let's practice a little.
Yes, I will ask you a question.
Are you ready?
When you go to the airport, what do you show at check-in?
Pause the video and say, you show your passport and ticket.
Good.
Next question.
What do you get after check-in?
Pause the video and say, you get a boarding pass.
Excellent.
What do you do at security? Pause the video and say,
You put your bag on the machine and walk through security.
very good.
See? You understand.
You are learning.
Now let's talk about arrival.
Yes, the plane lands.
Land means the plane comes down to the ground.
You clap. Some people clap.
Yes, sometimes.
The plane stops.
You stand up.
You take your bag.
You walk out of the plane.
If you travel internationally, you go to passport control.
Passport control checks your passport again.
They may ask, why are you here?
You say, I am here for vacation.
Or, I am here for work.
Short answer. Simple answer.
After that, you go to baggage claim.
Baggage claim is where you get your big suitcase.
You wait and watch the moving belt.
Yes, the belt moves in a circle.
Many bags look the same.
That is true.
So maybe put something special on your bag.
Like a red ribbon.
Good idea.
When you see your bag, you take it.
Then you walk to the exit.
Maybe your family waits for you.
They smile.
You smile.
And your trip begins.
Traveling is not only about the plane.
It is about experience.
Experience means what you see, feel, and do.
Now let's talk about English learning habits.
Yes, if you want to feel confident at the airport, practice simple sentences.
For example, where is gate 5?
Repeat. Where is gate 5?
Where is gate 5?
Very good.
Another sentence. Can you help me?
Repeat. Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Simple, easy, powerful.
Practice these sentences every day.
Speak slowly.
Look in the mirror.
Smile when you speak.
Confidence grows step by step.
You do not need perfect English.
You need clear English.
Clear and simple.
Now let's review everything.
First, you arrive at the airport.
Second, you check in.
Third, you go through security.
Fourth, you find your gate.
Fifth, you board the plane.
Sixth, you land.
Seventh, you collect your luggage.
Very good.
Airports are big, but steps are simple.
When you know the steps, you feel calm.
When you feel calm, you speak better English.
Yes, calm mind, better English.
Now, we want to ask you something.
Have you ever traveled by airplane?
If yes, where did you go?
If not, where do you want to go?
Write your answer in the comments.
We love reading your comments.
Tell us, are you excited about airport travel? Or do you feel nervous? Remember, practice every day.
Listen again tomorrow.
Small practice, big result. You are improving. You are brave. You are learning English step by step. Thank you for spending your time with us.
We are proud of you.
Keep learning.
Keep smiling.
And don't forget, like and subscribe. See you in the next episode of Enjoy Learning English. Bye, everyone. Goodbye.